Okay, so we're all sitting there.
You need a halftime show? Here we are, baby. All right, we brought you guys in here to demo this fence because you are a lot stronger than we are. So let's do this. Yeah, baby!
Yeah. All right.
On the whistle. Sit. Go! Get it down, you go! Yeah, baby! This right here was holding up your house.
You gotta be kidding.
I'm not. Look at this. Look at this wood.
Oh, no.
Isn't that awesome?
You know, I cannot believe our house hasn't fallen down yet.
I know, but well, don't worry. It's not going to fall down tonight. Jackie and Wendy, we got a really cool project we're doing today here. We got Brian and his Blue Man Group, and they're going to get into that crawl space, and they are going to get it dried out, and get rid of those critters, and get rid of that mildew and all that stuff.
Great.
What is this?
Do you know anything about that?
What is this?
How did that get in there? Looks like some
Is this your fixed job here?
looks like
This is your handiwork?
some athletic tape. You know what they say?
Athletic tape? Well, I use duct tape. You use athletic tape. You're a coach.
Whatever's around.
These walls are my canvas, my business card. If I do my job right, they'll come to life, take on a richness, feel new again. And if I mess up, well, I can't. So I like to stack the odds in my favor and go with a paint that flows on easily and covers best. With unlimited color choices, the one that lasts, I go with Kelly Moore.
Insist on the quality professional painters trust. Kelly Moore, the Painter's Paint Store.
The following is a paid presentation for the X-Deck by SafeTech.
Hi, I'm Buzz Lear, and this is the X-Deck by SafeTech, the ingenious solution that takes the hard work and high risk out of fix-it jobs indoors and out. The X-Deck is incredibly versatile. It's extremely lightweight, and it sets up in seconds. You simply insert your locking pin, and you're ready to go. For jobs all over your home, like in your kitchen, changing out your energy-efficient light bulbs. And see, I can actually change several bulbs at the same time without moving. Now we're gonna have a little fun. This is the X-Deck versus the Ladder Challenge. We've got some people who are gonna go head-to-head in a painting competition. And on my right is Team X-Deck, Aaron and Raphael. And on my left is Team Ladder, Jennifer and Wayne. Now we're gonna see who can finish painting their wall first. Are you guys ready? Ready. Let's go. Attention real estate professionals. One of the most influential shows to ever hit the North Bay real estate market is here, North Bay Homes. Backed by the power of the Marin Independent Journal and TD50, North Bay Homes is arguably the most influential guide to the buyers and sellers in the hot North Bay real estate market. Welcome back. Listen, we are at a very, very cool place. We're at Julia's Kitchen in the middle of Copia, named after Julia Child. And we're really lucky to be here early because when this place opens for lunch, it gets jam-packed in here.